Hello, in front of me I have a Mibro Lite smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Okay, also, if you want to use this method of the factory reset, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mibro Fit application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Mibro Fit application on our phone. In the app, we can tap on Equipment. Here, scroll down, tap on Reset, then tap on Determine. And once you see the list of languages on your watch, that means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.